Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my DEWALT FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE cordless reciprocating saw. We needed a reciprocating saw for a project recently, and since we have been with DEWALT for many years, it was an obvious decision to add this DEWALT reciprocating saw to our collection. This reciprocating saw has up to 40% more power with the FLEXVOLT batteries. And best of all, I don't have to haul around an extension cord to plug this tool into, as it is 100% battery operated. The 1/8 stroke length gives this tool its fast cutting speed. It also has the keyless lever action blade clamp, which makes it super convenient and easy to change the blade. The tool is very easy to use. You will start by putting in the battery, and then you will just need to insert the blade and latch it in place, and you are now ready to start cutting. If this is the first time for you to buy a DEWALT tool, because this is just a tool only, I definitely recommend making sure you have enough batteries on hand so you have everything you need to get the project done. You'll probably also want to stock up on the different blades to make sure you have everything you need for the project. So if you are looking for a high quality cordless reciprocating saw from a reputable brand, you will want to check this out.